Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at a very typical exam question, a GCSE style exam question to do with volume. I have a cone that has base radius 5 and slant length 13. And I have a sphere, and you don't know anything about it, it says X. The volume of both of them is the same, and what I want to do is I want to calculate X itself. Now, you're going to need the volume formula. For a sphere, it's 4 over 3 pi r cubed, and for a cone, it's 1/3 pi r squared h. Now, at the moment, we don't know h. Yeah, we know this, which is the radius, and we know the slant length of 13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Pythagoras' theorem to calculate it. I can find this distance here, because that is a 90-degree angle. I know that 5 squared plus, let's call this y, y squared equals 13 squared. So if I rearrange it, I'll get y is the square root of 13 squared, take 5 squared, which is 12. So that means that the height is 12 centimetres. Now, what I can do is, because the volumes are the same, I can just make this equal this. You have to be slightly careful because these radii are not the same necessarily. So don't write r twice, write r1, r2, or write a and b, whatever. I'm going to write just the value in straight away. So the value of this radius is 5, and we know the height is 12. And that will equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Now I can do some cancelling, so the third will cancel and the pi will cancel. So I'm left with 5 squared times 12 is 4r cubed. 12 and the 4 cancel, leaving 3. So I get r cubed equals 75. And therefore r is the cube root of 75. And that's how you would find the radius. Very, very typical GCSE exam style question.